Okay, this is our Flipgrid screen. I can't get into Flipgrid the same way that you get into Flipgrid because your email addresses are just a little bit different than mine. So you're going to log in and it'll ask if you want to log in with Google, and you click on that because you're using your email address to get in. So you're going to get in with Google, and then you're going to see the grid assignment, and it has Mike and Soli's picture, and you click on that, and then there's going to be a green plus sign. That means that you want to put in one of your own videos. So you click on that green plus sign and it's going to take you to this screen. Now, down here you see we have our big red record. So you click on record and it's going to count down. All right, here is my Flipgrid. This is what I want to put into my Mike and Soli video. We're talking about cause and effect. If I want to, I can come down here and I can change the look of it. So see, I can change it to different colors. I can change it so it makes my face look like that. Or I can do it in black and white. Or if I change my mind, I can take those off. I can also type right on my, let's see, we should be able to type right on here. It's not letting me, but let's try our paintbrush. See, I can draw on my Flipgrid. There's some stickers here. I can pick a sticker and put it up over here. I don't want you to really cover your face with the sticker, but you can add stickers around your face. And there's just these cool things that we can do. Then we push our pause. We can, if we didn't like our video, we can hit redo. Or if we're just fine with it, we hit next. All right, here is my Flipgrid. This is what I want to put into my Mike and Soli. All right, see, now I can watch my video and see if I like it or not. I can come down here and I can edit it. See, I can take parts out of it. If I,
here, it's not letting me.
You could hear my dog barking.
All right, here is my Flipgrid.
So there we go. Now I hit confirm.
All right, here is my Flipgrid.
I'm gonna go to next. Now it wants you to take a selfie to go with your video. You can also change the filter on this one. So let's see, I'm gonna do the funny face. I'm gonna do my picture. And then I'm gonna hit next. Now, your display name should only be your first name with your last initial. We don't need to put a title in there because you're putting it in the assignment, but if you would like to choose, like you could put cause and effect in here and then you submit. Now it sends it to me, and then once I see your video, I put it with the rest of the class and you can see everyone else's. So let's see if we can get this to work today, guys.